Today we're making egg fried rice, the ultimate comfort food. This recipe is simple, quick, and so easy to make. We will be making a version that is just like Din Tai Fung's popular fried rice, but much cheaper, and it only takes 10 minutes to make. I will even show you my trick for perfectly light and fluffy eggs. The best part about this dish is all you need is leftover rice and a few Asian pantry staples. Today, you will need leftover white rice, eggs, chicken bouillon powder, sea salt, white pepper, light soy sauce, and a few green onions. Since this dish is focused on the eggs, I recommend using the highest quality eggs available to you. To start, crack your eggs into a small mixing bowl and season them with salt. Then gently whisk them together until combined. Next, we will dice up our green onion. I recommend using a wok for fried rice because you want even heat and plenty of space to toss together the rice without making a mess. Once the oil is heated to medium-high heat, pour in the eggs. Then gently scramble the eggs with a rubber spatula once the bottoms of the eggs are lightly set. Continue to softly scramble the eggs until they are 80% set and lightly runny. It is very important to not overcook your eggs at this point. Then immediately add the day-old rice on top of the eggs and toss it combined. Try to break up any rice clumps as much as possible and cook until the rice is heated through, about 3 to 4 minutes. Next, add the green onion, light soy sauce, salt, white pepper, and chicken bouillon powder. Toss until everything is combined and the rice is evenly coated. Now your egg fried rice is ready to eat. You have to try this dish. It's so easy to make. Watch this recipe next.